Hello, everyone. My name is Jane from Enterprise, and I'd like to talk to you today about purchase automation. So, what is purchase automation? It is the ability to scan an invoice via OCR, that's optical character recognition, and to create a purchase invoice within Enterprise. This is fully automated and integrated through email. So, what are the benefits? It's going to save you time. It streamlines the purchasing process and centralizes everything in one place. It has machine learning built in. It matches to its related PO and goods receipt, and it reduces human error. So for this example, we will do the following. We're firstly going to create a PO and its corresponding purchase delivery. Secondly, create a single supplier invoice which references the PO. Thirdly, we will then upload the supplier invoice into the system, and we will then see how it handles processing the invoice. So in the interest of time, I have created the marketing documents prior to this demo, but let's have a look at the supplier invoice now. So you can see on the invoice that it has the PO referenced. This is standard, but also important for the auto matching to work. So let's go ahead and process the invoice using invoice automation. Just to note, we can have these emailed to our enterprise system. Alternatively, we can upload manually as we are doing now. The benefit of having the invoices sent to the system by your supplier is that you do not need to worry about where you store your invoices, nor do you have to worry about whether you've missed any either. Now that we have found our invoice, we can hit upload. It will take a moment or two to process in the background, but once it does, you can see that a pending invoice has been created for us. Great. So as you can see, you've got the supplier name, you've got the VAT ID, you've got the reference number, you've got the upload date, the invoice date, the due date, the total value, and of course the automation status, which here it says matched. So we can go ahead and approve it from here, but let's just go into the edit button to review. We can see that all the fields have been populated, but most importantly, we can see that the related documents field populated with the relevant purchase delivery numbers. What the system has done in the background is it's read all the data off the supplier invoice, read the purchase order on the invoice, gone in and looked at Enterprise for this PO, seen that they are closed and have been converted to goods receipts or purchase deliveries. It has then matched the purchase delivery to the relevant open item in the invoice. So it will then close the purchase delivery once it has been approved, rounding out the whole purchase cycle. So we are now happy that everything has matched to our supplier invoice, and the final step is to approve the pending invoice in the system, creating an invoice which we can now go ahead and pay. So that is the end of our demonstration. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any further questions, please visit www.enterprise.com and you can organize a personalized demonstration for yourself.